How to create a new Microsoft account. First, search for Microsoft account and choose this website. Sign in or create your account today. Next, click on Sign in. Then you should see No account, Create new one. Here we are going to create our new email address. I'm going to write ocltutorials@outlook.com. As you can see, it has switched to the Outlook option, which it used to be like this from the start. Just click Next. Create a strong password, put in your birthday, add your first and last name. Next, we have to prove we are human, so just press and hold here. Final step is to set up your backup email. You can skip it for now, but they will remind you in 7 days. You can create a passkey if you have Face ID or fingerprint on your device. Passkey created, and here we go. We are in. That's it. Thank you and see you.